Hey everyone, it's Terry, and today's video is all about sharing a super effective, a great strategy for writing a headline for your next sales page or your next blog article, maybe a headline for your client's website, even a subject line, because those are like headlines too. Now, how many of you ever felt like this when writing a headline? We've all been there, even when we were writing on pen and paper, crumbling that paper up and throwing it across the room. But now we just take our MacBook or laptop and chuck it across the room because we can't figure out how to write a headline. We spend there writing it for hours, only erase it and rewrite it an hour later. But I have a strategy for you, and you can find it by going to a popular site that I'm sure you guys use all the time. Maybe you guys use this site to shop daily. Look, I'm not here to judge, but I'm talking about Amazon.com. I'm telling you, if you search Amazon books, golden headlines are in the subtitle on the cover of a book. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean and how you can use this strategy to write your next headline.
All right, so here we go. I have a blank doc open. So let's just say this is what you are using to write your headline. So let's say we are doing a sales page. The sales page is about promoting a coaching service. Okay, so here we are, coaching service for entrepreneurs. I'm going to go to the Amazon books page and I'm going to put in coaching for entrepreneurs in here. Now, let's see what we got here. Here's one here. Mentor Me. If we click here, Mentor Me, a guide to finding ultimate coaching programs and mentors for entrepreneurs. That could honestly be your headline. I will even copy and paste that. A guide to finding the ultimate coaching programs for mentors and entrepreneurs. So it could be selling a service or a program. That could work out really well. Now let's say you want to write an article about CBD for pain. CBD for pain. That's all you got to type in there. Look at this one we see here. CBD oil for pain relief. The subtitle, your complete guide to CBD oil for natural and effective pain relief without medications. That is a great headline. Now, I'm not saying to completely copy this, okay? But you can imitate it. So you can say your ultimate guide for natural pain relief using CBD. But this is the strategy I'm talking about. They're laying out that format for you. So keep scrolling, write down some other ones. An easy to understand guide to knowledge, joy, health, and wellness through medical cannabis. That's an effective one. You can tweak that around to use it yourself. It works for a variety of industries. You can type in social media marketing and start scrolling through books and find subtitles in here. So you can scroll down, look at what to post, how to create engaging social media content that builds your brand and gets results. For real estate, you can niche it down. You can be more specific of what you do. So if you're a social media marketer, you're a freelancer who creates content for people, let's say you work with real estate and wellness, you could say for wellness entrepreneurs. I'm telling you, there's plenty of inspiration in the subtitles of books. So scroll through Amazon, start searching, see what works for you.
Oh man, that tip is great, right? How many of you are going to stop this video, share it with everybody else, then go to Amazon and look up these different subtitles on the covers of these books and start writing your headline? Guys, I'm telling you, this will help you write like 5 to 6 options for you that you can ultimately craft into that headline that you're confident is going to convert your ideal customers. It's that simple. They are showing you a formula that grabs attention, that's proven to work. So take advantage of it and use it in your copy. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tip useful and actionable. As always, love what you do. Proceed with passion. I'll talk to you guys soon.